guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing my skincare routine. My skincare routine is the second video on my channel to ever be requested, so I really feel like I need to get this video out ASAP. My skincare routine was mainly requested over on my Instagram because on Instagram I be on my story a lot and people are always like, oh my god, your skin, you look good, because of course on my story it's just like my everyday life and I don't always have on makeup. The main picture I posted recently that got a lot of people's attention, it was like, yo, like your skin is popping, and I was like, okay, like you feel me. So we in my busted bathroom. I love doing lifestyle videos, but I just hate my house that I live in. It's just, I'm ready to move, and we're going to be moving in the next, hopefully the next 6 months we're going to be moving. I'm ready to get up out of here, and I don't like recording in this space, so I really just like to do my makeup and lock videos because it's in my beauty room. It's nothing like being uncomfortable in your own living space. Like, you know how you just ready to go, so your mindset is like over it? I'm ready to move, so it's coming soon, guys. That is something to look forward to. This is me and Courtney's matching robes from Urban Outfitters. But the cute thing is we both have our own little hair thingy underneath our robes. You can't see them because I got OCD and it makes me have to do stuff, cover it up. I don't want to see it. Let's get into my skincare routine, guys. So to start off my skincare routine, I always put on my lock sock. My lock sock is usually already on, but today's Saturday. I'm doing my skincare routine a lot later in the day, and it is 2:20. This is what is it? I can't even read. It's 2:27 p.m. I took my hair down because my hair is usually smashed in this thing and it makes my hair itchy under here, so I let my hair breathe. But I usually wake up Monday through Friday when I go to work. I have my my lock sock already on because I'm getting straight out of bed and coming straight to the bathroom and do my skincare routine so I can get ready for work and stuff. So I always wear my lock sock. And I said it in my rope twist takedown video, but I feel like if you have locks and you do not have a lock sock, you are literally missing out. It's such a great thing. It makes me feel like my whole life is in order having this thing. Like, when I put my hair up and get it off me, I feel like I love this thing. It's literally a lifesaver. But anyway, I want to show you guys, whenever I do my skincare routine, I always put my lock sock a little further back, about an inch back on my baby hairs for my hairline. And I do that because I wear a lot of gel on my baby hairs, as you can see. It's probably, I think if the camera's picking it up, it's very crusty. This is from yesterday and it's crusty, so it's time for me to wash it out. Because I'm washing my face, I always let my face wash go up here and wet my baby hairs and get all that gel out. So you'll see what I'm talking about, but it just washes all that gel out, and then my baby hairs are fresh and clean for me to do my swoop the next day. And they're wet, which makes my hair easier to manage. I usually swoop my baby hairs right after I get done doing my skincare routine. It really helps the whole process of this, and it's like a whole group effort. I love that this helps. It just works for me. Another part of my skincare routine to start off, I just want to let y'all know I do drink a lot of water. I know that people always say this in their skincare routines, but it's really a real thing. Like, I drink a lot. Don't worry about my dark circles, I'm tired. But my skin is clear for the most part. I drink a lot of water. So I just wet my face, and the first thing I do for my skincare routine recently in my skincare routine is I take this Neutrogena Deep Clean Face Cleanser. It is a cleanser and a mask. You can either use it to just wash your face, or you can leave it on for 3 minutes and use it as a mask, but it works as both. And it says it is a long-lasting shine control. It's a daily cleanser. It clears away about 85% of oil buildup, and then it's also a mask. So yeah, supposedly has rice protein in it, and it keeps your oils away for 8 hours. I do have oily skin, but really only in my T-zone area. I think I kind of have normal a combination to normal skin, because I do get oily in my T-zone, but then again, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And around here is just completely normal. It's not dry, it's not oily, it's just normal. So my T-zone is really only my problem area as far as getting oily. But now I'm just going to take this Neutrogena Deep Cleansing thing. I'm just going to put this all over my face. That's why I wet my face. And I put this on before I brush my teeth, because I like to mainly use it as a mask unless I don't have time, because usually in the morning it doesn't take any time for me to splash my face, put this on, brush my teeth, and then wash it off. But sometimes I do have my mornings where I just need to just wash my face and then brush my teeth. I don't have time for all of that extra stuff. But I don't know, most times, 90% of the time, I do use it as the face mask every day, and I just leave it on as I brush my teeth and wash it off. I actually really like this stuff. I have realized that since I started using this in my skincare routine, that my skin is less oily more often. And it is also winter, so that could be something, but usually I'm the same kind of oily year round, so I do think this is helping my skincare routine. I don't know, I just like this stuff. I see a noticeable glow and difference in my skin since I started using this stuff. So now I just brush my teeth, and for those that may be wondering, because I'm the type of person I wonder when I watch YouTube videos, so I'm just gonna give you the curiosity for those wondering. To brush my teeth, I use the Crest Pro Health. This is the gum protection, cavities, gingivitis, acid, sensitivity, tartar, whitening, all of that. I got this because I was having some sensitivity in my teeth, and I recently got wisdom teeth pulled, and I was having sensitivity in my teeth, so I got that for sensitivity. My gums were also sensitive, so I got it for my gums, and then I didn't want to switch because I had a whitening toothpaste before this, and I didn't like that I had to switch from whiteness to like gum protection and sensitivity. And then I realized Crest Pro Health Advanced has everything that I need in one, so that's when I started using this, and it's almost gone. But I think I want to stick with this because my mouth has been doing stupendous since I started using this. No sensitivity, my teeth are still their typical whiteness that they usually are, and everything I needed to do, it's doing. So I'm really excited about that. After I use basic toothpaste, I go in with baking soda. I just take my toothbrush, I dip it in there, and I brush my teeth right after I'm done with that. That's my step 2. And my last step is to use this Listerine mouthwash, and that's everything I do while this is soaking in on my face. And once I'm done with this whole 3-step process, I usually wash this off my face. After I wash off the Neutrogena face wash, I go in with this right here. This is the Alba Botanica Good and Clean Fruit Acid Detox Fusion Toxin Release Scrub Oil-Free Foaming. So I take this scrub. My face is already wet because I just rinsed off that Neutrogena cleanser. So I take the scrub, I put this much on my hands, I rub it between my 2 fingers like everybody. I don't know why I'm giving y'all a tutorial on how I apply it on my face. Y'all know how people do this. But I just rub it, and it's just a scrub. And this one promises to get the toxins out your face, and I like that. I like the toxin release. That's cool. I low-key could probably keep this on my face too, but I'm not. I'm gonna rinse it off because I'm tired of being in this bathroom. So this is when I'm officially done the face washing. My 2 face washes, as you've seen, Neutrogena Deep Cleansing Face Mask and Cleanser, and then the Alba Biotanica something scrub. After that, I'm done washing my face. Now we move on to the actual toners and stuff like that. Something very important to me is that I use paper towels to dry my face. I don't use towels, don't use washcloths. I always use paper towels to dry my face, because paper towels they don't have any bacteria. I'm pretty sure they have some type of bacteria. I'm like, come on, nothing is just like germless. But in the sense of reusing the towel on your face day after day, that's just gross to me, because you're just applying something from yesterday. Like, it's weird. So I just use paper towels because it's the first and only time use. It's one and done, and it's I just feel like it's cleaner. But I usually just go in like this and just pat my face down. I make sure I dry the whole center of my face first before I wipe around my hairline, because even though I did wash and you see it's loosened up, it still has some gook in there that I just take the paper towel and wipe the rest of it off. Because I don't care if there's something in there stuck in my hair. I'm going to re-put gel in my hair anyway. I just needed to get the most of it out so I can have a fresh start today. And then I go around my hairline with the paper towel and start to wipe that whatever like melted gel is just like didn't wash away. So I heard that you're supposed to like tone your face like 3 seconds after your face is washed. Something crazy, but I'm definitely not doing that. I don't think anybody's doing that. But I do tone my face as soon as possible right after I wash my face. That is my exact 2nd step into my face washing routine. Technically my 3rd if you count the scrub, but I usually count that as 1 step. That's just the washing process. But my 3rd technical step is to tone. I use 2 separate toners. I use a regular toner. This is like a no-name brand, something you just grab out of Walgreens kind of toner, like a Astringent. Anything, I usually grab this. This is actually out of Courtney's barber kit, what she uses to take around her little fellow clients' hair after she cut them up. You know, like you get lined and they put alcohol on it. This is what she used. I just took it from my face because I had ran out, and it works just as well as my regular Sea Breeze that I usually use from Walgreens. But that's when these cotton balls come in handy. I usually take 1 cotton ball, and I have the pushy thing. This is so convenient. I got this from the travel section out of Walgreens. You can also get it from Target. You can also get it from the dollar store. I don't remember. I got it from one of those places. These are so simple. This was like $1. I think you should get one. It's a good investment. You just push down and it goes onto there, and I take this and I just take it around my whole face and tone my skin. you have eczema around your neck, I think you should try putting toner on your neck, because it really, really, really has helped me a lot. Because I hated that. That was like a big insecurity of mine, having a dark neck, because I'm just like, it made me feel like people think I don't wash my neck, but I do. It was just dry skin, and it was like, what's it called? Pigmentation. I don't know, something with my skin, but it used to be so stressful to me. So once this toner is fully dry, I go in with my second toner. My second toner is the Badescu toner. I actually have two. I have the facial spray, obviously. I have the one with aloe and herb rose water, and the one with aloe and chamomile and lavender. I have two. I usually try to use this one at night and do this one in the morning, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I would say a rough 85% of my days I do not wash my face at night. I wash my face in the morning and wash my face in the morning again the next morning. I don't be feeling like that. I forget. It's not my thing. I'm sorry, I don't. So I try to use this when I feel like my skin is doing a little bit bad, maybe because it's calming, and I use this mostly, like, I don't know, let me see if I can find an opening. You can see that there's less in here than there is in here, but this is one thing that I think, I'm not even gonna say I think, unless it goes away, I know this will always be a part of my skincare routine. These things literally have made my skin look glowy, smooth. The whole smoothness that I have to my face, I literally want to give all the credit to these, because my skin was always clear, but it was never as smooth and as like a glow from within as it has been since I started using these Badescu sprays. I just want my whole skincare routine to be this line, because it makes my skin look so amazing. Like, I know that is like 60% of why my skin looks amazing. So I'm gonna go in with the aloe, herbs, and rose water one, which is the pinky one, and I'm just gonna spray that all over my face and neck, the back of my neck as well, because that's where I also spray it to make my dark neck thingy go away. Sheesh. Another weird thing I do, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, a part of my skincare routine. This is literally a part of my skincare routine every single day. I have thick eyebrows, and my eyebrows, like, you can see the eyebrow hair after I wash them, it's kind of coming down. I always go in and brush my eyebrows, like just like you have to brush your hair in the morning, I have to brush my eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows are thick, and they may not even come off that thick to y'all, but my eyebrows are thick and they have long hair, and if I don't brush them, they will literally look crazy. Like, I will look like a little boy, a bad little boy running around like a hot mess. I gotta brush them. Like, they have to get their 100 strokes a night too, because they are literally insane. Now that I'm giving you that little chat, my face and my neck are dry from my toner, so now I move into moisturizer. So for a regular skincare routine, for my moisturizer, I go in with one of two oils. My number one oil is always going to be this Measurable Difference vitamin E oil. I've had this for about, literally, I've had this oil since 2017. I'll actually put it in the cards. If you have seen my skincare routine from 2017, then you've seen this oil. Look, it's almost it's almost gone. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see it. That little bit right there, it's almost gone, but I do know where I can repurchase this, so I can get it again. I did get it from TJ Maxx. That's why I'm saying that, because TJ Maxx is usually miscellaneous items, but they still sell this at TJ Maxx. So if you have a TJ Maxx near you, you should try it. But this is the vitamin E oil. This stuff makes my skin so moisturized. It's so lightweight. This is just like literally my holy grail, and this is like the first product in my life I've ever gotten through fully before besides toothpaste. But I'm talking about like facial routine. I usually get something new, something that's just like not working for me, but it's just like I don't see anything a benefit. Every product that I use in my routine now, I see what it does for me individually. If I don't see that, I usually get rid of products. But this is like the one thing I have literally loved. Like, makeup, no makeup, this is my favorite oil. Vitamin E oil gets rid of dark spots, it moisturizes your skin, it does other things I don't probably know about. Those are the only two things I know, but I love this stuff. My second one is I don't even know why I'm reading this. This is not what's in here. This is a Measurable Difference lavender oil, but that's not what's in here. I cleaned out the bottle when I ran out the lavender oil for my body, and I put in here half almond oil, half jojoba oil. And I have recently learned that almond oil, jojoba oil, I already knew jojoba oil kind of gives me the same effect on my skin as vitamin E oil, but a little bit more moisture. Like, jojoba oil is super moisturizing to your skin, especially on my face. Almond oil, my fiance is actually making her own oils, because y'all know she's a loctician, so she makes oils and sells them to her clients. And we recently realized, like, we've been just like doing our little scientific stuff at home to try to see what oils do what, and we have realized that people of color, we always talk about olive oil, coconut oil, and a lot of people don't really talk about how good almond oil is. I'm sorry, but I think almond oil is one of the best oils for hair and skin. And I tell you, we put this on our hair and it's soaked into our scalp. Like, I'm talking about, like, it's soaked into our scalp, and since then. I've been using almond oil on my hair, on my skin, and it is such an amazing oil. Like, it really soaks into your skin and gives you what you need. Like, it's amazing. The moisture in here is just phenomenal. So today I'm gonna go in with the half almond oil, half jojoba oil, just because I'm still going through the skin little stages that I've been dealing with my skin being dry from that cleanser. So I'm gonna use this to continue my bounce back routine from my skin being like hell. And I just take like a dime size amount and rub it in between my two hands, and just take it and rub it on my face and make sure I like get it in there. I get it in every crevice, everywhere, every hair on my eyebrow, my forehead. I make sure it's rubbed in very, very well. And this is also very, very lightweight. I rubs it in. So okay guys, that is my whole skincare routine down to everything. That's everything. My camera's about to die, so I'm trying to get this outro very quickly so I don't have to put a new battery in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is 100% everything. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. And also, everything will be listed in the description box below.